So today we will be changing the brake calipers and the rotors on this 2015 Maserati Ghibli. This car has been staying here for a month or a month and a half because I have really, as you can see, it's really corroded and I haven't driven this car for a while. So I've ordered 2 jacks. These are the brake calipers. These are the rotors. High performance brake rotors. So I'll get these unpackaged, bring the car in, and we'll go from there. As you guys can see here, everything is unpackaged now. These are the rotors, and these are the calipers. And these are 2 jacks I got from online, Harbor Freight Tools or something. I had to wait like 2.5 weeks for those. And the calipers were late. But yeah, basically, we're going to be changing the calipers and the rotors on this 2015 Maserati. But yeah, let's hop right into it. So now the tire's off. As you can see, this is really messed up. But first thing you want to do is take these 2 pins out, take this metal piece out, and then take this metal big bolt out. To take this bolt out, you have to unscrew this 13mm bolt from the back, and these 2 you just gotta hit and it's gonna go back. So I'm gonna take these off, and I'm gonna find the tools to do it. So as you can see, this is what I removed. These are the 2 pins that was right here. I just hit it with this metal and it got cricket. Wasn't strong enough, so I used this. Remove this. Now I got a 13mm. Now we're gonna open this bolt, which is this one. So here we go. Everything is off. Calipers are out. I've took these 2 hex bolts out of here, the top and the bottom. So we take these 2. I don't want to make these in here. And actually, I have nothing left on these bitches. Look at this. This is fucked. Now what you have to do is take this Allen wrench thingy off, and this should pop right out, which I doubt because my thing is rusted up, but we'll see. So here you go. This is the old rotor. It was kind of rusted inside, so it was kind of hard to come out. What I did was hit it with a hammer a couple of times here, and it just came right out. This is what it looks like without, and this is the new rotor. So we're gonna put it on. Oh, here you go. The new rotors are, new rotor is in. I tighten it up. Just tight as go. Now I'm just gonna put this back. And put in the calipers. But this thing doesn't want to come out for me. So I guess I have to put the calipers in first and then put it on the rotor. Let's try doing that. So now the calipers are on. Caliper holder is on. The rotor is on. I think everything looks good. Now I'm gonna put the tire back on and go to the other side. Alrighty, we got the rotors in, calipers are in place. Just gotta put these 2 in, and then the pins, and then another bolt from the back. Everything is looking good. I just gotta, you know, tighten it up and see what's going on.